Hey, it's Nitish from trendyupdate.com. So in previous video, we will talk about the course or series of course which we will start it. And now the first chapter or the first course we will start that is called HTML. So I made a text file for you. This is what is the HTML, right? So HTML is a markup language for describing web documents, or you can say that HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So, what is the meaning of hyper? What is the meaning of text? And what is the meaning of markup? I explain it. A markup language set of markup tags. The tags which we will use in our page or coding page. HTML document described as HTML tags, and each HTML tag describes different document content. So now we cleared out the meaning of HTML. So let's make a simple program or simple file of HTML which we will clear it. So I made it a simple program that is here. Now this, the first is called a doc type HTML. Now the doc type declares the definition of a document type of HTML. It is defined that that type is HTML type. Then we start with HTML, then the head part, and then title part, and the title close, and head close. In body, there is two tag that is called H1 tag and P tag. Then our body close, then our HTML close. So why we start with HTML? This is some first question arises in a fresher or you can say a starter mind. When we start building a page in HTML, then we have to tell the compiler or we can say tell the browser that is a HTML page. So we can start with the HTML. Yeah, the HTML here I write is the text between HTML describes it as HTML document. Then the head part came. Head part came provided information about the header, right? In the title, the page title. Basically, now the page title is untitled. Here you can say that untitled editor. Now the page title, when I save this page in HTML, then the page title come here, right? I will show you in a practical. So each tag you start have to close in HTML. 2 or 3 tags that have not been closed in HTML, we will talk about further. Or then we will come to head part. Now in head section, we will use a tag that is called title tag. In title tag, we will write the page title. You can say anything about it here. You can write Facebook or Google, anything you want, right? And then your title tag close and your head tag close. After the head tag, the body tag came. The body, the meaning, or you can say the of the body tag is describe the visual page content. The body which you write in your body, it will visible your page content. Like you can add an image in your page, you will add into a body part. You will add a video on your page, you will add in your body part. Each and everything you want to show on your web page or visible on your web page will come in a body part. So we will use 2 tag in body part, that is on H1 tag. In H1 tag we will write my first heading. You also can change it, like you can write my first heading or anything you want. So there are 6 heading tag. Basically H1 tag is used for heading. Like we have 6 we have H1 tag, then we will use H2 tag, then my second heading, then H2 tag close, then H3 tag, and then H4, then H5, then H6. Now you copy all this here from my paste here. here, here, and here. Now I have to close h3 tag. Now h4 tag, h5 tag, and h6 tag. So second, here is the third one, is fourth one, sorry, and here is the third one, and this fifth, and this one is sixth. Now question arises in my mind, what is the difference between h1, h2, h3, h4, h5 and h6? So the h1 tag, the only difference between h1 to h6 is the size. The size of a content which you write in h1 tag, it is bold and bigger than h2, and h2 is bigger and bold than h3, and h3 is bigger and bold than h4. Means h1 tag is bold and large than each and every tag of h2, h3, and h4, and h5 and h6. Right? Now when you will save the file with the help of .html, now you have to save it with .html or .htm, right? So next text come with it, that is called a p tag. The p is used for paragraph. So we write p tag is for paragraph. It is my first paragraph, or you can write anything in paragraph like and how are you, what are you doing, etc. and etc. Now the p tag is closed. Now the body tag will start. Then we will close the body tag, and after that the main HTML tag, it will close. We don't need to close this one tag, that is called a docs HTML, but it's only used for defining the document that it to be HTML. So all this thing you have to save with .html. So next I will come with the HTML tag. That is come with a markup tag, right? The meaning of tag here. HTML tag are the keywords found by the angle brackets. Now here the tag name, like you will use h1 tag, p1 tag. Here you can see that, right? The content which you want to write in your tags. The tag normally comes in pairs like this one. The first tag is called a starter tag, and the last one khatam is come with end tag like this one. You can say that this one is your, like, wait, I will show you. This one is your starter tag, and you will write anything in this, and this one your end tag. So this is the introduction parts of your HTML. In next video we will learn about more about HTML. Thank you for watching.